members detected for the Lightcycle Run competition. Initiate Identity Disk Profiling. Initiate Lightcycle Run upload sequence in 3, 2, 1, go. Welcome to TRON Lightcycle Run, the ultimate competition on the grid. Before proceeding to the sync chamber, all members of Team Blue must prepare. All users must secure large items, including backpacks, purses, and hats, in the locker portal before entering the grid. Lockers are just ahead. To open a locker portal, tap your digital key to the illuminated activation point. Please be considerate of other users and only use locker space that your party requires. Remember your unit number. You will be piloting a specially modified Lightcycle. When the gate opens, follow your path on the floor. If you are assigned the far vehicle, you must walk behind the Lightcycle. Remove phones, glasses, and other items that may fall off, and secure them in the storage area between the handlebar. To synchronize with your Lightcycle, kneel, lean, and pull the handlebars towards you. TRON Lightcycle Run is a thrilling, high-speed roller coaster type ride in the dark, making sharp turns with sudden drops and stops. For your safety, remain seated on your Lightcycle at all times. Remember to kneel, lean, and pull the handlebars towards you. Supervise young Team Blue users at all times. The competition begins when Team Blue launches across the upload conduit and onto the grid. Your opponents will meet you there. To win, every member of Team Blue must pass through 8 energy gates before their opponents. Stick together. It's your only hope for victory. In the Lightcycle Run, there are winners and there are losers.